The question I got asked is, does anybody use Sales Navigator and have an opinion of it? And will Sales Navigator facilitate people meeting and talking? I'm going to share with you my opinion based on my experiences. But before I do, please hit that subscribe and then notify button because I create all of these videos for you. Yes, I have an opinion about using Sales Navigator. I've been using Sales Navigator pretty deliberately since about 2012. I also teach the use of Sales Navigator as well as the use of LinkedIn as business tools. So here's my opinion. Sales Navigator is a great tool if you intend to do this. Lots of prospecting, lots of research, and lots of social listening. If you don't intend to be doing those three things, prospecting, researching, and social listening, then Sales Navigator may not be important for you. What I have found is that when I save leads, then I can not only keep track of the leads that I've saved or my priority accounts, which are companies, or my priority leads, which are people, but I can also pay attention to where they go, what they do, what they say, what they share, etc., etc. And furthermore, in the context of social listening, not only can I hear what they share, and read what they share, but I can also open that up and I can engage on it in some meaningful way, often through Sales Navigator. So it's really important to use Sales Navigator to track the right accounts, track the right leads so that you can pay attention to what's going on. And again, furthermore, as I mentioned, to comment on or engage with them. So it is a very powerful tool to use, again, for finding the right people and researching the right people, researching the right accounts, etc., and to, again, to engage with them. But if you don't intend to be prospecting and researching and searching and looking for the right people and trying to find the right ways to connect with these people, then again, Sales Navigator may not be important for you. Now, the other part of the question is, does Sales Navigator facilitate people connecting and talking? Well, absolutely it does. Because I can pay attention, like I said, I can pay attention to what leads are doing and what leads are saying. And I can then, find ways to get introduced to them, find ways to bump into them, find ways to engage with them throughout LinkedIn or Sales Navigator or beyond. And then where mutually relevant, where beneficial, we can look for ways to have real life conversations outside of LinkedIn, whether it's via Zoom, telephone, or even meet in person. But it all starts, as I said, with this research and prospecting and social listening. That's my opinion, and that's my high-level thought about using Sales Navigator. I hope it's useful for you.